Welcome to this tutorial on how to download Zoom to an Android device. We will use Zoom for many of our online learning programs. This video is a step-by-step explanation of how to download the app to your Android phone or tablet. So, what is Zoom? Zoom is an app used for audio or video meetings online. You can use it to share your screen with others in your meeting. You can choose to turn on your camera so that others can see you. The app is free to download. Let's look at how to download on Android devices. First, tap the Play Store icon to open the Play Store. In the search bar, type ZOOM and then tap the magnifying glass to search. Look for the app called Zoom Cloud Meetings. Tap the Install button to download the app and then wait for it to download to your device. When the download is complete, tap on the Open button to open the app. And that's all. You now have Zoom on your Android device. Let's take a look at how to join a meeting. Tap Join a Meeting. If you would like to turn off your video so others can't see you, tap the slider for Turn Off My Video. Your teacher or friend will give you a meeting ID number. Tap that number into the meeting ID bar. Then tap Join. Your teacher or friend will also give you a meeting password. Type the password for the meeting and then tap OK. If your teacher or friend hasn't started the meeting yet, you will see this screen that says the meeting has not started yet. Just wait for your teacher or friend to start the meeting. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to download Zoom to an Android device. If you have a different device, please check out the other videos in this series to find out how to download Zoom to those devices as well.